What's up, guys? In this video, guys, I'm going to teach you how to install TrollStore on your iPhone or iPad, and this will work from iOS 14, iOS 15, and iOS 16. Let's get started. So, I'm on my iOS 15 device, and I'm on my iPhone. I'm on my phone. This the supported versions which TrollStore supports. It supports iOS 14, iOS 15, and iOS 16. TrollStore is supported for those three versions. It will work for all those versions as long as it's supported. Again, TrollStore, this will work from iOS 14, iOS 15, and iOS 16. Let's get started. The first thing is, anyways, and here we go. First thing is, we're going to go to settings. You have to go to general, go to about, and then check what version you're running. I'm running iOS 15.8.3. Also, let me check the build, 19H386. So that's good. So I'm on a supported version, which is supported by TrollStore. I'm on iOS 15.8.3. And I'm on my iPhone 6s. This will work on any iPhone or iPad which is running between iOS 14, iOS 15, and iOS 16. But for me, I'm using iOS 15.8.3. I'm using my iPhone 6s. Alright, once you check what version you're on, if you see it's iOS 13 or older, you will have to update it to like a supported version, but unfortunately, if it's not updating to those versions, if it's updating to like iOS 18, I'm sorry, you will have to skip this video because it will not work. But if your device can supports iOS 14, iOS 15, and iOS 16 on your older iPhones, if it's not on those versions, you can go ahead and update it to one of these supported versions, which are supported by TrollStore, if you have an older software. But if you see you're on a supported software which is supported by TrollStore, you're good to go. Alright, so once you check what version you're running, we can go ahead and close that off. Now, this step requires a computer. This will not work directly from our iPhone. This will need a computer for our process. So we'll do it from Windows PC. It will work. So first of all, this is what you're going to do. Windows users, you need to go to search, go to virus and threat protection, open it up. Then this will open up too. Then go to manage settings and then turn all of these off, including real-time protection. Turn it off. The reason why we're going to do this because if we are going to install it without the soft, it's not going to work. So you have to turn it off. Click on yes on the user account control prompt. This will work. This will work for Mac. This will work on your Windows 10 computer. This will work on your Windows 11 computer. Alright, so for Windows users, you don't need to do it for Mac. You're good to go with Mac. But for Windows users, you need to turn off real-time protection viruses and stuff to prevent errors. And then once they are off, but on MacBook, if you're getting harmful, the saying not open, it could harm your Mac. Just go to the settings. You just go to privacy and security, go to the bottom, and then you just open anyway on that app in case you get one. But for Windows, we'll do it from a Windows PC. So Windows users, you will have to turn off all of these, and then once they're off, close this off, and then now open up any of your favorite browser. So I'm using Google Chrome. First thing is you'll need iTunes. So please install the iTunes. For this to work, you'll need iTunes for this, for a Windows computer. But if you're using macOS, you don't need iTunes. But for Windows users, you need iTunes. So this is what you need to do. If you're a Windows user, you're going to download the iTunes for Windows 10 or 11. And then I already got iTunes on my PC already. Then once the iTunes has already been installed, we are now good to go. Now we can go to our releases. You can go to TrollStore X GitHub.com, and then once we're at GitHub.com, go to the latest release. As you guys can see right here, but this is the warning. You have to read this warning first. Don't download that because that's not gonna work. Download the TrollStore X IPA. Click on that. Then let that thing download. Then now it's downloaded. Then once we're downloaded, we're not done just yet. We have to go to this site, Siloli. So you will need to go to Siloli. If you don't have Siloli yet, you're gonna download the Siloli for macOS. You're gonna choose macOS download, and for Windows computers, you're gonna download the Windows 64-bit download if you have a Windows 64-bit PC. But for Windows 32-bit, you need to download the 32-bit download. For me, I'm using 64-bit. I would download it. You could go ahead and also download iTunes from right here. It's up to you. Either you want to download from the site or already right here on Silently 64 right there. So for me, I'm using Windows 64-bit because I'm on an updated software, but I already have Silently on my PC. So you need to install Silently for your Windows 10 or 11 computer or your Mac computer. Then once you have all that installed, we are now good to go. So I'm going to actually show my cell phone this time. I'm going to show my iPhone screen. So let me move that to the left. Dismiss that, and then I'm gonna open up Silently. The Silently, let me open it up. There's Silently opening. Let me move my iPhone to the page to the left. Let me actually show you. So here's my iPhone once again. On iOS 15, I'm waiting for Silently to load up. Then you see Silently is open, but I haven't even plugged in my iPhone to my computer yet. So let me plug it in. So once again, it's my iPhone again. Same device. I might actually plug it into my computer. Alright, so let me plug in I'm getting the cable. I'm gonna plug it into my computer for this to work. Alright, so once you connect it, you'll see your iPhone right here. If you're doing this for the first time, it'll ask you for your Apple ID. So you'll need to type that in, and then you would be good to go. Then click on IPA. Go to the downloads, and then choose the TrollStore X. You just got it from the GitHub page. Click on open, and then you'll see right here, click start. Then it is now starting. Now it's unpacking. Then you'll see TrollStore X on your screen. But if we tap on it right now, you'll see Untrusted Developer. First of all, let me close Silently because we're all done. Closed off. Now let me actually show my iPhone now. Since we're already done, let me full screen that. Then go ahead and go here. So when you first click on the app, you'll see Untrusted Developer. So in order to fix this, click on cancel. First of all, you need to go settings, go to general, then go to the VPN and device management, then trust, and then trust. Then open up the app. It will work this time, and then you'll see this install TrollStore. Again, if you're on an unsupported version on iOS 13 or older or newer than iOS 17, you'll see it's unsupported because it's not in a supported state. But it's supported for me because I'm on a supported version, which is supported by TrollStore. Then once you have the TrollStore X, click on Install TrollStore. Click on that. Then it is now downloading the kernel, gathering kernel information. I'm going to go with tips. Then it is successfully installed TrollStore. Now if we go back, it is now on our screen. So now we can open up TrollStore. As you guys can see, it is all installed now. See, one of my apps are already installed from my other video. Couponing I already installed. I already got that from another video. But if you want to watch it, you can go to my channel and see the video. See here, TrollStore is working without any issue. You would go back to stock, you would have to click on uninstall TrollStore. So you don't need, but I'm not going to uninstall it because I already installed the TrollStore app onto my device. There's also a respring button right there. Now you can install whatever apps you want. That usually what the apps that would require a computer, you would, if you want to download apps now that required a computer, you don't need a computer now because you have TrollStore on your device, and you could do it directly from your iPhone because it's already in the TrollStore. But now, since we're done, if you want to uninstall TrollStore X, you actually can. So you can click on the minus, and then you can click on delete app, then press delete. Then, as you guys can see, the Troll installer is no longer there. TrollStore, it will continue to be there. It will not affect that app. So if you delete TrollStore X, it will not affect TrollStore. But if you want to uninstall it, even if you uninstall the TrollStore X, you could just uninstall TrollStore right from here. That's it. So see here now you can install whatever app you want from your TrollStore because your app is all finished. Let me actually end up unplugging it from my computer and plugging it back to where it was. It's back to where it was, plugged in back. It's my iPhone once again. See here, couponing is, I see all of my apps have been saved because I've uninstalled and then reinstalled it from this video. Okay, that's all I have for this video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Hit the like and the subscribe button when the subscribe button is gray. Then click the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you, have a wonderful day, and bye-bye.